In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Forex News. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the latest market updates and how to read them quickly so you can make more informed trading decisions. First, open Myfxbook in your browser. On the top navigation, look for the News menu and select Forex News. This takes you straight to a dedicated feed that updates in real time with stories from major financial news sources. Think of it as a live ticker for what's moving currencies around the world. The feed is organized chronologically, so the newest items appear at the top. You'll typically see a timestamp on each entry. Keep an eye on it, as timing is everything in Forex. Also, note the time zone indicator on the page so you understand whether those timestamps are in your local time or a standard like GMT. Once you're on the Forex News page, the key is learning to scan efficiently. Each item includes 3 parts: the time it was published, the headline, and a short summary. Start by glancing at the time to gauge freshness. News that's just been published can drive immediate volatility, while older updates may be useful for context rather than quick decisions. Next, read the headline carefully to judge relevance. Headlines will often flag the currency, region, or theme affected. Central bank comments, inflation data, employment releases, geopolitical developments, or risk sentiment shifts. The short summary is your fast filter. Use it to grasp the core of the story without leaving the page. It typically highlights the key point, such as a surprise figure, a policy tone, or a follow-up on an ongoing situation. If the headline and summary suggest the story matters to the pairs you're watching, click the headline to open the full news article. This will take you to the original source, where you can get all the details. As you read, look for the who, what, and when, plus any hard numbers compared to prior values or expectations, and any forward-looking language that hints at potential policy moves or market reactions. When you're done, head back to the feed and continue scanning. Over time, you'll get faster at recognizing which items are likely to move markets and which are simply background noise. To recap, go to Myfxbook, open News, and select Forex News, then use the timestamps, headlines, and summaries to prioritize what to read, and click through for the full story when it matters. With consistent practice, this becomes a quick, reliable part of your trading routine.